The 15th birthday of my grandchild, Chloe Ann, with her mother, Julie Ann.
Thank you, Tita.
And my sister, Cecil. Hello. With Daniel, son. Thanks for the treat. And Princess, where are you, Princess? Okay. Enjoy eating. Okay.
Tita, kayo na po.
Eating. Happy birthday po.
Thank you po.
Okay, good health and long life, ha? God bless you po. We love you. Okay.
Kuya, ang picture mo ako na siya. Napaka-picture mo.
Happy birthday.
Picture ako na story.
15th birthday, Chloe Ann. We love you. We love lots, Lola Malu, Lola Cecil, Tita Daniel, and family. Okay. With Dr. Princess. Hello, Princess. Hi. Thanks for the treat. Mag-thank you ka.
Mana sa yung disposable natin na cup.
Wala na. Mag-thank you ka sa kanila. Okay. You eat, ha? Enjoy eating. Hello.
Pwede na ba kumain?
Hindi. Yobo. Hello po. Tingin mo na. Hello. Enjoy eating, Junior.
Ay po.
Agnes. Hello.
Ay po.
Agnes, sama mo ako sa video. Hello, everyone.
Kami na ano.
We are here at our residence to celebrate the birthday of my grandchild. Chloe Ann.
Oy, nakalimutan
Tita Hermana Julie Ann. Lola Ceci. Grandma. Lola Ceci. Grandma.
My hands are dirty.
Tita Daniel.
One,
Tita Princess.
1, 2, 3.
Okay? Lagyan mo na sa music ng happy birthday. Okay, let's eat.
You want chicken?
Enjoy
Ayun.
eating, children. Okay, God bless everyone. Enjoy eating nga po, ah. Okay, it's your birthday. Enjoy your day. Okay, God bless everyone. Okay. Uy, masama yung makakabasag ka.
Ay,
God bless everyone.
Madumi na yan. Huwag ko nang punutin niya. Itapon mo yan.
Uy, madulas ang ano. Okay, enjoy eating.
look, tissue.
Ilagay mo sa birthday song, birthday song. Okay.
May yan. Dito ba?
Enjoy eating, everyone.
Andrew, ito ayun sa'yo. Makanin. Oh,
Uy, maapakan yung aso. Maapakan yung aso, ha? Okay, hello, cute. Hello, anak. I love you. Cutie, I love you, nak. Okay. God bless you. Enjoy your day. Ay, maghintay ka, Julie, kumukuha mo yung sopa. Pauto sa kay mama mo. Lakasan mo. Agnes, lakasan mo. Okay, enjoy eating, everyone. Okay, God bless everyone. Let's eat. Happy birthday, girl, Julian. Wish you good health, long life, and success. Someday your dream becomes true. Okay? Love you. Hoy! Matumba. God bless everyone. Ano pa? Okay. Okay, let's eat. God bless everyone. Thank you, Sam, for the treat.